Heju mengi ya mwanchu murigererwe getaseni kya Ndizi TV na bwo bwansu bwo Gusii ngwege na ritko ya ondigenderete ko baritoera rukegima na boigo no genderete kwego kya kubwati mirubiri yonse getaseni kya Ndizi TV ekero kire kitarike 23 cyo mutienyi okianda umwaka w'echi Ibere na 22 na ekero bono aba MC kurwa se Chinsemo au bagenderete gotianiwa eyo kurwa oboko eryo gochako bokoreri bwabo bene ase abananchi kinga kinge ekero cyaragire Chinsa Isano na Ibere kinga kingo kwariganya se Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere asenchira ere yobwenge ngo kwenyoria buna nabakogendera gotubwate asensemere ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube tonyore wetera Ndizi TV News nabogo tweetwetera @Ndizi TV News boigo otonyora se website yaito wetera www.ndizitv.or.ke eri togendere gusangana ya mankere tariane Everline Osero olitoko bwatrana nere kwene kia awikira sensemo yimanyiriro nigakorokwa Joshua Auta kabana ntuiko moerio ngo kwariganito chake Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere asenchera ere yobwenge awase omonogeri bwebunkene ne Moses Wetangula abereka gotebuna engusana ne yegenderete koenekiwa egati yababunke na bege kyombiyo koena ne meshahara imense ya Kenya kya Salaries and Remuneration Commission SRC nigo egenderete gotigara goika amachibwa beire gakonyorekana ko bwatkana nege karekyo babete bagokora nakorengana no munyakero gokorwa se kyombe kya SRC Lin Menkich nigo atebire bunamangana yo na chikoligereriwa ne kamati iyo etenerete obokoreri asebunge eryo richibu riekeranu konyorekana.
The outcome of such a meeting cannot be pronounced through media briefings because SRC have told us they're going to write to the House of Parliament and indicate the issue they have discussed, where there were misapprehensions of fact, where there were reductions of expectations of members, and where there were overstated issues beyond the expectations of members.
Indeed, we've spent a lot of time explaining the principles, the importance of ensuring that the wage bill is fiscally sustainable. We spend a lot of time engaging on issues of equity and fairness in pay as pertains to state officers and all other state officers.
County ya Siaya nigo yachakire obwagachi bwenyomba yorachikurwa bokoreri bwo kubara senchera yekerero nyomba erache kwagachwa senyagetari ya Siaya referral yorachiko irachiringi chimilioni 55 icho cyabete chikwena no kurwa se ebenkene ya World Bank okwana chinga kichogo chakya umurobero yo mugavana we county ya Siaya James Orengo nigateba buna chishiringi chimilioni 53 nigo kirachigo tumeka ase obwagachi awase chiringi chinde 14 milioni 14.3 kirachiye gotumeka ase okugore binte birachi gotumeka ase enyagetari yo unenjira yamo yokorwa bokoreri burobwororo bwo bwenya gucyasaba menyi be county ya Siaya.
Upon completion, the complex shall be a one-stop shop service delivery point with 4 theater rooms, a 10-bed capacity ICU, laboratory, pharmacy, among other key services. This shall significantly enhance the quality of service delivery. I wish to take this early opportunity to thank the World Bank and the Ministry of Devolution for this collaboration and support.
Nichinga kibono abaraya baba gochorwa asobochore bonene bwo mwakoyo igaba chakiro bokoreri bwabo bene gucyasaba nanchi nibwo abangi n'abarayikorwa se county ya Taita Taveta babire bakuboli abamenyi be county yo ko bwati abarayi eryo kwenekia amagendera bere gakororokana ase county yo ya Taita Taveta.
Maendeleo tutakayopata tukiwa na serikali ni kweli, we are known for that. But what benefit do we gain? At the end of it, what do we gain from being in opposition? There is nothing. We always lose.
Huku nyanjani hasa wanawake wenzetu ambao ndio wana vote kwa wingi. Tuwaelimishe ya kwamba ni muhimu kuchagua wanawake. Sasa tuko na mmoja kati ya 20. Wale wengine wote ni nominated. Ni nani mwenye hasara? sini county, ni nani ambaye mwishoe atakuwa pesa zingeenda kwa kitu fulani, ni nani kesho ataenda kutafuta dawa hospitali akikosa atalaumu. Yeah? Kwa hivyo lazima tufanye huku chini, kwa bottom kabisa. Tuanze tukipanda juu na hiyo education.
And I believe the change tumepata ya kupeleka like 15 MCAs who failed to work, who failed to oversight the monies of this county went home.
Omuroberi obwoko tiani wa kwa MCA ase Chinsa au Amayia County emeronkene na Isano na Ibere mense ya Kenya nigo ogendrete na boigo ogochorwa kwa banogeri ibebu bechi county assembly. Amayia County ya Mombasa muroberi yo nigo ogendrete awase nonya nabo omonogeri bwebunke yo Harubu Ibrahim kagere gochia gotigara kobo monogeri ne magega y'abantu gotaesokia erioko mwamereria ase kirogekyo.
I, Maimuna Salim Mwawasi, do swear that I shall always diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of County Assembly, member of Mombasa County, that I shall diligently discharge my duty and perform my function in the said office to the best of my judgment, that I shall at all times respect, uphold, preserve, protect and defend this Constitution of the Republic of Kenya, and that I shall do all right to all manner of a person accordingly with Constitution of Kenya and the laws and Convention of Parliament, that I shall do justice to all. So help me God.
Nekerabono omurobero yo bwogotiani wa kwa MCA ogendrete nigo egatia bananchi bagendrete wesokia na kwemurungania askari bagote na banke babo nigo batanyorete ribagarisa ine ase amalieta ali abeteka gochorwa ya ba MCA otiase chi county assembly. Abantu bamenyete no borema korwa se county ya Vihiga nigo babere bawesokia na kwemurungania asogotaiwa ribagase county assembly yo ya Vihiga magega ya ba MCA bwogotiani wa alitko ria igoro nabo omuriki gosego kwana nabariki omuteneri obasereta Christopher Kwasha ni gatebire buna uko inenchire ya moyo kunererwa kwa bantu bamenyete no borema ane nasibake mochirie ekiama kya ODM na goteba buna nigo kyabetege kubatiga isiko egento getarabagokia.
Kenya kaseti ile ambayo ilikuwa ya mwisho tulishangaa kuona ya kwamba jina langu limetolewa, limewekwa kando, watu ambao wale ambao sio walemavu wamepewa hiyo kiti ya nominated kama MCA. Sasa tunashangaa watu wa Vihiga County, nikiwa mmoja wao, nikiwa kwa party ya OTM, tunataka tuchue ni nani huyu ambaye alienda Nairobi na akapatiliza jina langu kama Christopher kwa mwakilishi wa walemavu na wakaweka mtu mwingine.
Sisi kama wana ODM ambao tumekuwa tukiimba wimbo wa ODM, imefika masaa na wakati tunataka tuvue hiyo kofia ODM, tuvue hiyo jamvi ya ODM na tuende UDA.
Nataka kama ni chama cha ODM watu waambie walemavu hawana haki, na nikizaa mtoto mlemavu hata tetewa. Wakati wataenda bunge nani atatetea walemavu?
Abakori emirimo ase sector yobochenwe binyorogo sabo manyikaine na community health workers korwase county ya Kiambu wetani chirwinye nigo barachie kori kwa bene ase serikali ye county ya Kiambu unenchire yemo yokorobia obokoreri ase Chinyagetari na nenego kyanya oichurana kwa baroire ase Chinyagetari ayankorengana n'umugavana we county ya Kiambu Kimani wa Matangi uyote unenchire yemo erachi gokonya abange kwegendereria abo barachi kwe walibaga lyogokonya ko kolinkori ya gusekorwa lya maroire amakamake aseboigo atebire munane chiego kinya sector yobochenu ase county ya Kiambu nigaya kwa nachinga kibono arenge kwarigania ebintu naboigo chigari echo kirachikokonya asobolinkori bo muchando bwa maiso imeye county eyo.
Tutasema kwa hiyo bill na nitaisoma nikirudi kwa ofisi tuhakikisha kwamba nyinyi kama watu wanafanya kazi ya maana ndani ya community zetu mumenakiliwa kwa hiyo sheria na nyinyi ni watu wanatambuliwa na kulipwa na county kama watu wengine. You will have uniforms na mnakuwa na identity nzuri ya kuweka vile inaonesha kama ni kitambulisho ya county ya kwamba wewe unatambuliwa.
No mugavana bwe county ya Machakos wa Vinyandeti ni gachakire kurigereria emirobero y'obwagachi bw'ekipara ase county eyo wa Vinyani gatebire buna inegati y'emirobero eriyarobereti gokora ase egeka kyamatuko emyeye mamatangani ayo arabe ase abisi buno mugavana bwe county eyo asaba igabere gakoene kya buna achipara chonsi ase chinsemo au nchichie korosiwa eryo kworobya obosombi nabo igo obonchoreria nabo igo koreta magendro ase county eyo ya Machakos baigo nigatebire buna nachie kubeko mukya bwo kubwatirana nebyombe au ane bitenerete obwagachi bw'ekipara kwene kya buna ayonsi aikiranire.
This is part of our 100 days Rapid Resort Initiative RRI program. This program will entail rehabilitation, grading and marraming of access roads to all wards of Machakos County, the 40 wards. We are targeting the most affected areas to help open up the rural economies and link market centers in our small towns. We are using National Youth Service equipment as well as our own in-house equipment, which were previously grounded but are now fully repaired. This program will help spur trade and commerce in our rural areas and put pesa mfukoni for our local traders in line with our promise of chakula mezani, pesa mfukoni. It is my intention to continue working with Kura, Kena and Kera to ensure as we use our county resources, we also use the national government resources to ensure that our roads are open.
Wikirega bano mwancho murigere nango korera Amayia ye Chinsa Isano na Ibere asenchera ere yo bwenge korenda yo murayanda manke ntogenderete go kwariganirya ayora achikonyora asenchera yo bwenge na indekero charage Chinsa ikominere sara nyaranki ontita gendra ko bwago tobwati asensemere ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube tonyoro wetera Ndizi TV News na bogo tweetwetera @Ndizi TV News faiga se website yaito ngora tonyoro wetera www.ndizitv.or.ke erio togendre go na ya manki ngokaneria oburigere rubya na baigo omubasoro motoyererwe retariane Everline Osero oritwa kubwatirana nere kwenekia awikira senseme yebimanyerero nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta.
Easy TV, Ubwansu,